We live in a true information age, and as the need for data increases, so do the number of data centres to supply our ever-increasing digital requirements. Today, the modern data centre not only has to ensure constant availability, but also has other driving factors such as carbon reduction and profitability targets. This leads data centres to 4 driving factors: flexibility, efficiency, availability, and shareability. Riello UPS, one of the world's largest UPS manufacturers, took these market demands to develop an outstanding product for the modern data centre by combining innovative design capability and technical expertise to produce the most advanced modular UPS fit for the challenging data centre environment. Flexibility. To achieve maximum flexibility, we have separated the major parts of the UPS into its key component systems to ensure complete modularity. Power module, bypass module, battery unit, and connectivity panel. A stylish range of cabinets house these modules to enable flexibility of installation and service. The main benefit of this feature was to ensure the modules were hot swappable, allowing painless scaling up or down or replacing as required, without the need to power down and affect the critical IT load. Multi-power initial installations are easy and painless, with top or bottom cable entry, plus airflows like server racks, which are front to rear. Data centres grow, so the multi-power needs to grow with it. With the ability to house 7 42 kilowatt modules in one cabinet, and up to 4 cabinets in parallel, delivering over 1 megawatt, giving it one of the highest power densities in the market at an incredible 466 kilowatts per squared metre, including redundancy. Efficiency. The power modules utilise the latest advanced technologies which guarantee full rated power even with unity power factor loads, without any power downgrading. This is even up to temperatures of 40 degrees. The multi-power offers 96.5 system efficiency when operating in online double conversion mode. With an outstanding performance of over 95% whilst operating at 20% load, this superior performance ensures extremely low losses at any load level whilst maintaining a true modular solution for any changing data center environment in terms of power demands. Availability. Power is nothing without control, and the multi-power delivers this without any compromise. The multi-power's advanced communication architecture, multibus, continuously monitors all operational parameters of the power modules and battery units, ensuring the system is tuned to best operating performance in any eventuality. With the added security of a redundant module, the multi-power delivers continuous clean and resilient power to your critical load. Information is everything, and the multi-power has a sophisticated and intelligent connectivity panel which allows the data center manager to clearly see the status of his UPS and allows service engineers to access the system's maintenance details. This central connectivity is at the heart of the multi-power information system, but not the controlling brain, as failure of this element would not affect this operation. The battery unit also contains dedicated internal protection and sophisticated control systems to monitor the status of each module, which significantly reduces the risk of battery failure by immediately warning the user of any impending issue and for the appropriate preventative actions to be taken. Shareability. With a large 7-inch touchscreen display and with a wide range of communication options including USB, SNMP and RS485, it's easy for the multi-power to share the operational status into the data center DSIM or BMS systems. The multi-power can certainly be placed at the top of its class as one of the most innovative and resilient modular power solutions available in the market today. Don't settle for single power when you can have the multi-power.